we had checked in day before morning in Pushpam Resort. We had come for a wedding of a very close family friend, and our stay, our rooms were very nice. They are big rooms. The space is really good because we were in a wedding occasion, so we had lots of luggage, but the rooms were large. There was cleanliness in the washrooms, and the service was good. Whatever we asked for, maybe we forgot our dental kit, we got the dental kit. And then when we were being served in the restaurant, the food, right from breakfast, high tea, lunch, dinner, these were all occasions for the reception and wedding lunch. So we had a lovely experience here regarding the service. The food was excellent. There was a lot of variety of food, and the place is very nice, and we really enjoyed, and I'm sure the entire wedding families, both the groom and the bride side, had a very comfortable stay, and we really appreciated the service and the food provided by Pushpam Resort.
Thank you. Thank you.